In this video, you will learn about more and most to compare nouns. This topic is a part of adjectives. As learned earlier, a few words such as good, bad, or little change its form differently while comparing two or more nouns. Good changes to better when comparing two nouns. For example, Jay scored 80% and Arya scored 90%. Arya scored better than Jay. To compare two nouns using words like expensive, careful, frightening, important, and valuable, use more before it. Expensive becomes more expensive to compare two nouns. For example, motorbikes are more expensive than bicycles. To compare three or more nouns, use most before expensive. For examples, cars are the most expensive. Let us look at a few examples. Arya is more careful than Jay while cooking. Or, Tina is the most careful. When you compare Arya, Jay and Tina, Tina is the most careful while cooking. The giant wheel is more frightening than the merry-go-round. The ghost train is the most frightening ride at the amusement park. This sentence means that of all the rides in the amusement park, the ghost train is the most frightening. Playing outdoors is more important than watching TV. Playing a sport is the most important. While comparing watching TV and playing outdoors, playing is more important. Between watching TV, playing outdoors, and playing a sport is the most important. Gold is more valuable than silver. Diamond is the most valuable. While making a comparison using more and most, do not use ER or EST at the end of the word. For example, this is the most happiest moment of my life is incorrect. This is the happiest moment of my life is correct. Similarly, using my car is more better than yours is incorrect. My car is better than yours is the correct way of saying it. Now you know how to use more and most to compare nouns.